This is how to adjust ignition and ignition timing on a Lada Niva. First off, start with the spark plugs and see how they look like. These wires probably need to be changed. Very dark carbon, not good. Clean the spark plugs. Put it back and do the rest of the spark plugs. Adjust and clean the ignition distributor. Remove the distributor cap. Clean the inside and also the rotor. Now, check the breaker contacts. They should not be destroyed or have a bad surface. If so, you can use a small file, this is too big, and carefully dress the inside of the breaker points. Very carefully. Now, adjust the breaker point gaps. That is the gap in between the breaker points. That should be 0.4 millimeters. To open them up, use your starter crank and turn the engine until this cam is in the position of which the breaker points are wide open. You can see at this cam it's flat, then as it turns around it comes to these high points, and then the breaker contacts open up. As you can see, we are closing in on this high ridge here, just a little bit more. One more millimeter. Now you can see the breaker points are wide open. 0.4 millimeters. These are a little bit too close. We need to adjust. Take a screwdriver. Take your screwdriver. Loosen this screw. Take another screwdriver into this slot and then adjust. This can be a bit tricky. Then tighten up the screw again and double check. 0.4 millimeters. Redo if necessary. Now it's time to check the ignition timing, and to do that you'll need one of these testing lamps. Now to do this you'll have to find your markings on your crankshaft. Down here you have this marking, which I have already marked up with a pencil. Do it with white color, and right over here there are 3 markings there, and the middle one I have kind of marked up. this one in the middle, and when we use the test lamp, the lamp should be coming on when these two marks lines up. Otherwise we'll have to adjust it. Now start off by connecting your testing lamp to the battery. Then you start up your engine and you point it down there, and you pull the trigger and you'll see if it lines up. Now, as you maybe saw, it didn't line up properly, so to fix that we undo this bolt, we turn the distributor, retighten it, and we check if it lines up. So when it lines up perfect, you're all done. So thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Thank you.